Hello dear students, today's topic is kingdom Mycota. In previous class you have already studied a topic Protista, kingdom Monera, and this is a third kingdom according to 5 kingdom system of classification known as Mycota. You know that the kingdom Mycota having those group of organism which are eukaryotic, uni to multicellular, unicellular, multicellular, heterotrophic, organism. This is according to basis that prime parameter that considered by Robert H. Whittaker. The kingdom Mycota having those group of organism which are eukaryotic, uni to multicellular, having and eukaryotic organism. This organism, especially first talking about kingdom Mycota, another word is the Mycota deals the study of fungi, and another name of kingdom Mycota that is popularly known is called mycology. Mycology, how can you define mycology? Mycology is the branch of biology which deals the study of fungi. The father of mycology is Anton de Very, full name of Henry Anton de Very. He is a father of mycology. Not only having well knowledge of mycology, beside this he is a well botanist and microbiologist also. He was a German surgeon. Now talking about the mycology, general feature of mycology. First characters was eukaryotic, multicellular, uni to multicellular, heterotrophic organism. Beside this, what is the distribution of fungi? Distribution of fungi, especially in soil, moist soil, air, especially on snow, not snow, water, etc. Means for fungi you can use a word is called ubiquitous. Fungi are ubiquitous. The mode of nutrition, how can you define nutrition? Nutrition, if any organism nutrition process you can define any organism taken food by which way. By fungi basically perform many mode of nutrition such as parasitic, saprophytic. Students, you study earlier about parasitic mode of nutrition, saprophytic mode of nutrition, symbiotic mode of nutrition. The parasitic mode of nutrition are those mode of nutrition in which the organism derive their nutrition from other, especially many fungi that take nutrition from other living organisms such as basically plant and some animals. You well known that the series of group of fungi that taken nutrition from plants, you can say directly many fungi causes disease on plants. I have discussed this later by taking some examples. Saprophytic fungi are those which derive their food material from other from dead decaying organic matter. This is a saprophytic mode of nutrition. Saprops especially is word used for dead decaying organic matters. So this word is called saprophytic mode of nutrition. The next one is a symbiotic mode of nutrition. Some fungi especially form association with root of higher plants is called mycorrhiza. Especially the fungi that derive their nutrition in a symbiotic form, especially form association with other plants. This is called mycorrhiza, in which fungal species form a symbiotic relationship with root of higher plants. Here the fungi provide mineral nutrition to the plant, and in revenge plant provide shelter and prepared food to the fungi. One interesting feature I was forget for explaining here, the fungi are heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic means fungi not having any type of chlorophyll. In previous topic you have already studied that in protista, some protists are photosynthetic, means like dinoflagellates, chrysophytes and euglenoids. I have already discussed they are photosynthetic. So derive their nutrition from by process of photosynthesis. So here the all fungi are heterotrophic, means they are not photosynthesizing type. They cannot perform their nutrition from by the process of photosynthesis. Here they derive their nutrition from by the parasitic, saprophytic and symbiotic mode of nutrition. The next is how they perform sexual reproduction, how they perform reproduction process, the reproduction in fungi. Now I am going to talk about reproduction. Fungi perform reproduction basically by two ways. First is asexual method of reproduction and second is a sexual method of reproduction. The asexual method of reproduction, in asexual method of reproduction there is no gametic fusions, no union of genetic constitution. Here directly one species release their spores or a part of the body detach from their part and grow and settle down on another place and form new organism. Here the asexual method, in asexual method they form a different type of spores like zoospores, aplanospores, conidia, and this is a asexual reproductive part, conidia, and many other spores that are named by different name, you can say. Here many examples are can be given as pycniospore, asiospores. Not I am going to talk about such name here, but here some zoospore, aplanospore, conidia and many other spores that are formed in fungi by the process of asexual mode of nutrition. The sexual method of nutrition, in sexual method of nutrition the fungi two fungal hyphae. Here hyphae word I am going to use. What is hyphae? What is mycelium? How fungi body is formed? Now let us talking about this hyphae of the fungi. Basically the fungal body is made up of either single cell, especially yeast, known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae scientific name. Some fungi are multicell and form hyphae. Suppose this is a fungal hyphae, this is a septate hyphae, septa, this is known as septa, nucleus present inside this because this is eukaryotic, septa, and this is a nucleus. Here cytoplasm present inside this is a cell wall. Fungal cell wall made up of chitin. Another word you can say, another name is called fungal cellulose. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin or fungal cellulose. This one is a hyphae having nucleus, cytoplasm, different type of cell organelles, septum and their cell wall. This is the basic structure of fungus hyphae. It is also called hypha. In hypha and hyphae, one difference is just singular and plural. Now the group of hyphae unite together. Suppose this is a hyphae and many hyphae join together to form a loose group of tissues. And this hyphae arrangement form a special structure, special structures, and due to formation of this type of structure, the fungal body look different, and this is another species. Means fungi may be single cell, multi-cell, form hyphae, group of mycelium, and another word, in another word you can say it is a white fibrous mass that grow on bread. Fungi you can see everywhere. If you go in field, then it form it umbrella like structure on the ground. This is known as a fungus is called agaricus, very common fungus that are grow on dead decaying organic matter, especially on dung materials also, sometimes normally on soil. Some fungi are fibrous loose tissues having compact, not compaction of in hyphae, they are loose hyphae arrangements. This is called a species known as mucor. Especially this is grow on bread, wet bread, especially bread and some of the food materials. Then this is a body organization of the fungi. Here hyphae and a group of hyphae unite together. Suppose a group of hyphae unite together. This group of hyphae form a structure is called mycelium. This is a mycelium. Here mycelium combined, group of hyphae combine together to form mycelium. This is a compact structures, and after then they form a body. This is known as agaricus. One popular fungus comes to your kitchens known as Agaricus bisporus, that are edible fungus. Students, you know that many type of fungus are there in our localities, but all fungus cannot be edible. Some fungus can be edible, like Morchella, Agaricus bisporus, in like Agaricus bisporus in this zone, and Morchella some other zone also. Beside this, many fungus are free living, not growing on other bodies. Some are causing disease on the human as well as plants. The fungus that causing disease are on plants or animals is called parasitic fungus. Example like rust of crucifer caused by fungus, especially Alternaria solani cause late blight potato, Phytophthora infestans early blight of potato, and another many Coletotrichum falcatum is caused rot of sugarcane, and the Puccinia graminis causes disease on wheat. Many fungi that are parasitized to the plant and directly affect the agricultural production. Now here I am talking about sexual reproduction. Sexual method of reproduction. Fungi shows very special method of sexual reproduction. Fungi are less advanced as compared to plants and higher animals. So the fungi shows haplontic life cycle basically, especially here haplontic, haplodiplontic you can say. Here two fungal hyphae. You know well hyphae, what is hyphae? Two fungal hyphae of different strain. First is a positive and negative. This is a two hyphae. This is a hyphae, and this is a cell having nucleus. This is another compatible strain of hyphae. This is a negative strain. This is a positive strain, positive compatible, and this is a negative. And both the hyphae comes close together. Their cell comes close together to form here two cell of the fungal hyphae combine together to form, this process is called plasmogamy. Two fungal hyphae and their cell combine together, process is called plasmogamy. Now after the plasmogamy, the two nucleus that are present inside the single cell, after plasmogamy the both nucleus of the cell fuse together. Suppose the two cell nucleus fuse together, form single cell. After plasmogamy, a condition is formed is called dikaryon. After dikaryon formation, dikaryon undergoes fusion to form a single nucleus. Process is called karyogamy. Name indicate here, plasmogamy means fusion of the cytoplasm, especially two cell cytoplasm fused together to form a single cell. Here two different nucleus are not combined, though the structure is formed dikaryon. After then karyogamy occur, means two nucleus fused together to form a single nucleus is called karyogamy. After karyogamy, the nucleus cell form a fruiting body. This total structure form fruiting body. Fruiting body means reproductive structures which having many type of spore, again undergoes reduction division. In fruiting body, you can say, again it undergoes reduction division to form haploid spores, and this haploid spore germinate to form another hyphae, each spores. So you can say this all process of plasmogamy, karyogamy, this is the main step, 3 steps of reproduction takes place in meiosis or reduction division. 3 steps of reproduction takes place. First is a plasmogamy, second is a karyogamy, third is a meiosis. After then a haploid spore is formed that is germinate on suitable substratum and form a new hyphae. This is again retain its haploid entity. This overall process of plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis occur in some group of fungi, especially in member of Phycomycetes and Basidiomycetes. True sexuality is absent in group of Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes is a group of class of fungi. So you can you have studied the different characters of fungi, especially what is nutrition, what is how it is cell type, what is a type of reproduction in fungi. This you have studied well. Now, how kingdom classify in different category? By taking some parameters. Parameter is morphology of mycelium. How mycelium look like? Is there septate or aseptate? Formation of spore. Formation of spore and method of reproduction. Are they reproduce asexual or sexual method of reproduction? Now you can say another word, how what kind of fruiting body produce. This is a different parameter. What kind of fruiting body produce, means which type of reproductive structure form inside the fungus body. On this basis, by considering three parameters, fungi classified into the four classes. First is Phycomycetes. Second is Ascomycetes. Third is Basidiomycetes, and fourth is Deuteromycetes. The Phycomycetes are having aseptate fungi or aseptate hyphae. Beside this, having septate, all group having septate hyphae. Once again, I am going to repeat what is aseptate and septate condition. If the fungi having septa, each cell separated by a septa, it is called septate fungi. Suppose this is a septate fungi. And if the fungi, each nucleus or each cell not separated by septa, this is called aseptate fungi. Aseptate, in another word, is known by cenocytic. What is used for this is called cenocytic fungi, and cell is called cenocyte. Cenocyte means fungi, each nucleus or cell not differentiated by their wall. Here is called cenocyte, and fungi is cell separated by septa is called septate fungi. Means member of Phycomycetes are aseptate, and Asco, Basidio and Deuteromycetes is called septate, means having septa. Another character is how they form spore. Here spore formation takes place. Spore formation occur from sporangium. The spore formed from sporangium is called sporangiospore, and structure bearing spore is called sporangiophore. Here many complexion here. The spore formation takes place, sporangiospore formation from sporangium takes place inside the Phycomycetes, or you can say sporangiospore here. Directly you can say spore. Here member of Ascomycetes form ascospore. This is a type of asexual spore. I am talking about asexual spore. Ascospore form from ascus. Here the ascus bear ascospore endogenously, means a sac-like structure is formed inside this, the ascospore form. Here sporangiospore form at the tip. The Basidiomycetes member produce Basidiospore. Here spore is also formed but lack sexuality, lack sexuality, so it is called fungi imperfecti. Fungi imperfecti. But here one mistake is here. I am talking about asexual method of reproduction. The Phycomycetes produce spore formation by sporangiospore inside the sporangium, ascospore form inside the ascus, basidiospore form inside the basidiocarp. The here spore is formed, but not spore is formed is called conidia, that bear on conidiophore. Now I am going to talk about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction happened same way as like described earlier in the general characteristic, the plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Here the member of Phycomycetes is known by another name, is called zygomycetes. Here sexual spore is formed, is called zygospore. Zygospore are formed by same process of plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. And here in ascomycetes, the sexual reproduction is absent, but not totally absent, but it is not detailed summarized as like basidiomycetes. Here the sexual method of reproduction, they perform reproduction by plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. In Deuteromycetes, sexual reproduction is absent. You can say no one species till date shows sexual reproduction. If any species in this group, belong in this group, shows sexuality, must be transferred in the Basidio, Asco or Zygomycetes. So this group is considered under the fungi imperfecti, means the fungus belong in this species is not fully explored. Till date many studies are. Here one difference, one mistake is here. This is a basidiospore that form from the sexual reproduction. Basidiospore is the result of sexual reproduction of plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Here no spore is found. No spore, no asexual method of reproduction is found inside this. No spore is found in case of Basidiomycetes. One mistake it must be noticed. In ascospore, here one mistake is also happen. This is a result of sexual reproduction formed by plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Here asexual spore is formed called conidia. Conidia is formed in this group, and ascospore is result of sexual method of reproduction. Here sporangium या sporangiospore is formed by from sporangium sac by process of asexual method of reproduction. Here conidia by process of asexual, no spore formation in basidiomycetes. Here conidia is formed by asexual method of reproduction. Again I revise, the zygospore is result of sexual reproduction of plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis in case of phycomycetes. In case of ascomycetes, the ascospore form inside the ascus endogenously by plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis, and in basidiomycetes, no spore formation is found. Here basidiospore is formed by process of plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Basidiospore can be categorized in many categories such as aciospore, pycnospore, basidiospores, and two other spore, teletospores. Here you can categorize in many category, but this is the portion of next classes. Now in Deuteromycetes, the conidia is a part, conidia is formed from conidiophore, is a asexual method of reproduction. Here the sexual method of reproduction is totally absent. Many questions arise from this, which group of fungi shows lack of sexual reproductions is Deuteromycetes. The examples, we can discuss examples. Now let us stand what examples can be taken in different class of fungi. Here Rhizopus, this is called bread mold, and second is Albugo, each example. Here Rhizopus is called bread mold, especially grow on water soaked bread, a bread that normally open inside the moist air. Albugo, it is called white rust of, Albugo fungus, Albugo candida is causes white rust disease on mustard, crucifer. Mustard, you know, mustard plants, disease caused on this plant by the Rhizopus fungus. Albugo species name is candida that causes disease on mustard plant. Here member of Ascomycetes is Saccharomyces. Many use of this Saccharomyces species is called yeast, especially main base of bakery industry, many type of bakery product that formed by using Saccharomyces species. The next is species is Penicillium. This is a very famous fungus. Penicillium is the first fungus from which the antibiotic reported in 1928 by Alexander Fleming. The many questions in objective examination or many one day and medical examination, many times this question is asked, who discovered first antibiotic from which fungus? The first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928 by the fungus Penicillium notatum. Another strains of this fungus is of Penicillium chrysogenum also, and the antibiotic extract from this is called penicillin. Students, this discovery was accidental, not the scientist particularly fungus work on this fungus. This was surprise result for scientist. Third is Aspergillus fungus called causes aspergillosis. Aspergillus fungus from Ascomycetes, and the next fungus is Neurospora crassa. Neurospora is a fungus that used in many genetical research. You know that in class 12 chapter 5-6 you have studied this topic, how the genetical research is carried out in different bacteria and fungus. So the Neurospora is a species that belong in Ascomycetes. Neurospora crassa also used for this. You know, according to binomial system of classification, all the name are scientific name, especially genus. So anywhere you may write must be underlined. In Basidiomycetes, the some fungus from this is Agaricus Agaricus, you know that agaricus is a fungus that look like umbrella. You can say the example of agaricus bisporus, that are edible fungus. You have many time use as a vegetables. So this is agaricus bisporus. Astilego is a fungus. It causes smut disease. Smut disease on wheat. Astilego. Next is a Puccinia, is basically from Puccinia. This is a name of fungus. Puccinia, full name is Puccinia graminis triticii, causes disease on rust of wheat. Means especially they harm the crop of wheat plant. Puccinia. Next is Deuteromycetes member is Coleotrichum falcatum. Coleotrichum is called rot disease in sugar cane. Rot in sugar cane means sugar cane plants. In sugar cane plants it causes disease, rot disease. Full name is Coleotrichum falcatum. And next is Alternaria. Alternaria is causes disease on potato plant. Alternaria solanae. Full name is solanae. You know that Solanaceae is the family. In next chapters, I will discuss about which type of family in angiosperm and how in which family different plants, many type of plants belong there. Next species in Deuteromycetes is Trichoderma. It is causes skin infection on human. Trichoderma is a fungus, causes disease on animals, you can say. Now let us summarize again fungi. I have discussed in this class what is the study of fungi is a mycota, which is the father of fungi, how the characters eukaryotic, unicellular, multicellular, and what is the mode of nutrition, what is how they perform sexual reproduction, what are different class of fungi, especially examples is given. Many 2-3 characters I consider in these topics, and with example I have discussed in front of you. Now according in this chapter I am going to study the next kingdom is Plantae. Next chapter is kingdom Plantae, but so some short summary I am going to give for kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. You know plant, what is the character of plant? You have seen many type plant around you. How they differ from Protista, Monera and fungi. Kingdom Plantae. This is a fourth kingdom. Kingdom Plantae. If I am going to ask about what is the character of plants. The plants are autotrophic. First answer is from you. Autotrophic means they photosynthesize. They having chlorophyll. They are eukaryotic. They have cellular, tissue level organization, organ level organization, means well defined. They are range from some unicellular to up to multicellular body organization. Unicellular, I am talking about some algae are unicellular. So here I am taking examples of this. Beside overall character, plant shows a diplontic life cycle. Mode of reproduction is sexual, asexual, vegetative. Many way you can define. How can you classify plant again? Plant again classify into the two major group called cryptogamia. Cryptogamia and phanerogamia. Cryptogamia include 3 divisions. three division. First is Thallophyta, matlab means those plant having thalloid plant body. Thalloid means rootless, stemless, leafless. Thallophyta example is algae. Algae belong from Thallophyta. Next is a Bryophyta. This is called moss plants. It is also thalloid, but the structure slightly advanced than algae, means aggregation of tissues, and they form a leafy-like appendages. False leaf, this type of structure is happen inside the Bryophyta. Many examples like Rexia markensia are here. Next is the Pteridophyta. Here stellar organization, you can say the leaf stem, leaf root type structures is developed in this, means this is called vascular plants. Vascular plants. Vascular plants means those plants having arrangement of xylem and phloem in this. First time reported in this group Pteridophyta. This is a very primitive group of plants. But nowadays the number of species in this group is less as compared to another Phanerogamia, but it is more advanced as compared to Thallophyta and Bryophytes. Thallophytes is totally thread-like structure. If you are going to filter some water, you can find many type of algae inside the water bodies, especially in pond and lake, stagnant or running water both. Bryophyte, it is a moss plant, grow on moist and sandy places, or especially Rexia and markensia. Plant structure is as like this. So it's a Bryophytes, especially in moist and sandy places. Next is Phanerogamia, further classified into categories. Further classified into category is a gymnosperm. I think you have listened in previous class 9th. And next is angiosperm. Gymnosperm is are those group of plants having form having all parts like leaf, stem, roots. Beside this, they form naked seeded. You can say gymnosperm is a naked seeded plants. Gymnos means naked, sperma means seeded plant. The angiosperm is nowadays, this is a very advanced group of plants. Many species are belong in this, especially the monocot and dicot species. Monocot and dicot species. And all plants around you belong in this. Those who look like photosynthetic, especially in green in color, basically green, violet, red, these all are belong to the planting. I'm not going this topic in detail in this, because next chapter same in next chapter same the detail about the kingdom planting. Today's we have discussed about topic, we have learned about topic kingdom fungi and plantae. In next, kingdom animalia in short, and after then what is a lichen, what is a viruses, and what is viroids, prions. Thank you.